Hey Steve, this is Larry Powell. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you that you requested in Contractors Directory Southern California. I'm going to give you a quick website audit and kind of go over the stuff I see on your site that I think could help with your guys' rankings and passing up your competition. We're going to go over the big three of content, citations, and backlinks and what those can do for your business and increasing your rankings and overall jobs and leads you guys have coming in. They're going to look at what your competition is and what you guys have to do to pass them up. So first thing, looking at your guys' site, it looks awesome. It's a very well built site. I really love the color scheme you guys have going on here. Your logo is super cool. Really like what you guys have going on here. First thing, jumping into content, you guys have a decent amount of content on here. So Google looks at over 200 different ranking factors when determining which website's in that top spot, and content is definitely one of the biggest ones. I always say content is king, and with that you really want to shoot for anywhere between 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. You guys are currently sitting at about 1,200, so you guys are doing decent on the amount of content you have in here, but I definitely think you guys could use some improvement on making sure that you have the search terms you want to be found for within that content. So just an example, roofer Los Angeles, this is getting like 300 searches a month, I believe. We're going to go over that in just a minute. But roofer Los Angeles, California. So this is a great search term. In order for Google to know that this is something that you guys are offering and to get pulled up in the search results for that, what can really help is if you guys actually have that search term on this homepage. So just doing a quick search for your guys' page, roofer Los Angeles, California, is not coming up on your guys' website whatsoever. So making sure you have the keywords you actually want to be found for on this homepage will really help. What I always do is my top 3 keywords, I try to get them on there 5 times in this homepage. Then everything else I try to do 1 to 2. You don't really want to go more than maybe 15 keywords on this homepage, depending on the amount of content you have in here, because you also don't want it to be stuffy. As far as Google will catch on if they think you're trying to play the system. But definitely I think the quality of the content can be improved just a little bit, but the overall amount you have on here is perfect. The website looks fantastic. Definitely a well-built site. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at some competition and what you guys would have to do to pass them up. So I chose roofer Los Angeles. This is something that you guys are currently ranking for, but you're sitting at 30th. So this is a tool I use called Ahrefs, and this allows me to see a couple different things. One of them is the key terms that you guys should really be ranking for and ones you already are ranking for. So this shows all the different search terms that Google is currently finding your site for. So we can see roofing contractors in my area, Royal Roofing, commercial roofing contractors near me. What I'm seeing going through this is on your website, you guys talk about, and even when you talked about on the Facebook post, your comment, you guys serve most of Southern California. And it really looks like you guys are focused with your content currently only in the Los Angeles areas. And so if you guys were to branch out in some of the other areas like Orange County or something like that, where there's not going to be as much competition as Los Angeles, you guys would see those results a lot faster as far as being able to rank your site for those other cities and generate a lot of leads with a lot less competition. I actually did find this is the keywords for the top ranked site for Orange County. You can see roofing Orange County, 100 searches per month. Roofing companies in Orange County, 150. Orange County roofing, 150. So I mean, there's a lot of potential here that I would say is low-hanging fruit for your business and generating a lot of new clients just by targeting these new keywords. But jumping back over to here, we're going to look at backlinks for your business. So I don't know if you know what a backlink is, but the best way to describe it is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And you have the most popular kid in school, we'll call him website A, and you have the least popular kid in school, and we'll call him website B. And what that least popular kid in school wants is he really wants those popularity votes coming from that most popular kid, so it's going to bring up his popularity and move him up in the Google search results. So for you guys, you really want to be targeting backlinks that are high authority, have a lot of popularity behind them, because by getting those, it's going to move you guys up in the search results a lot faster. You also want to make sure that they're niche relevant. So if you guys were to get a backlink from something, pertaining to roofing or a roofing company here out of Oregon, where I'm based out of, that's going to carry a lot more weight than if you guys get a backlink from your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't selling pizzas. So what we can see right now is that you guys are currently have 2.21 thousand or 2,200 backlinks from 145 different websites. You're being found for 273 keywords, and you have 111 people per month coming to your guys' website. Now looking at what your competition has going on, so heading back over here to the Google search results, when we're looking at this, I don't include Yelp or HomeAdvisor because Google really prefers to rank the smaller businesses over these large national sites like this because these guys are direct competitors with Google paid ads. So looking at the search results, J&J Roofing is the first competitor we're going to be comparing your business to today. So here they are right here. So looking at their website, content-wise, I already ran the numbers. They're about 800 words of content on here. So when I said before that 1200 is perfect, you just have to really make sure you're optimizing that content out and have the search terms in there that you want to be found for. Their website is very basic. No reason why these guys should be ahead of you guys in the search results. Looking at the back end of their site, we can see that they have 1,200 backlinks from 93 referring domains. Organic keywords are ranking for 364, but they're getting 416 people per month to their website with a site that's completely inferior to what you guys currently have going on. So the quality of backlinks they're getting is greater, and they're targeting these keywords more heavily than you guys are, and that's why they're getting such more traffic headed towards their website. Looking at another competitor, Modern Roofing. This was the next one down after them. We got modernroofing.net here, okay? Looking at their website, they do have a nice site. I love they have the contact form here. This is actually really nice. It helps with conversions if people aren't having to search around your site to figure out how to get a hold of you. So that is something you guys could add to yours that would help. But again, they only have about 800 words of content on here. Very basic, not a lot of content. Looking at the back end of their site, they have 3,300 backlinks from 178 referring domains. So, similar to what you guys have as far as total websites they're getting backlinks from. They're ranking for 235 keywords, and they have 384 people per month coming to their website. And we can still see, we can look at the different keywords they're ranking for and see if there's anything in here that we want for you guys as well. Roof Repair Los Angeles, 250 people per month. Roofer Los Angeles, 300 people per month. That's one we're already looking at here. Roofing companies in Los Angeles, 200 people per month. These are all search terms that you could be targeting and generating. Being in the top spot for these, about a third of that search traffic headed towards your business by being in the top spot for these. Now moving into those other areas I talked about before, looking at Orange County area or something like that, that would definitely help you guys out, and you'd probably see those results much faster. But you could also do both. If you want it all, that's definitely something you can do for your business. Now the last thing we wanted to talk about is citations. This is the third one in the big three. Getting your business into this 3-pack is huge for your business. Not only because it gives you the opportunity to have your business here, but if you're also ranked here organically, then that's 2 pieces of real estate on this homepage of Google that people could be coming to your business instead of one of your competitors. Generally, 75% of people do not go past the first page of Google search. So by having your business on here twice, it gives you that much more opportunity for people to be coming to your business instead of that of your competitors. So one of the biggest factors for getting your business into this top 3 is what's known as citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. You can do this on directory sites like Yelp, Yellow Book, even a Facebook page. If you list all that information, can count as a citation source for your business. Looking at a tool we use here called WhiteSpark, we can actually see the number of citations that everybody has and see what we have to beat in order to get you guys into that 3-pack. So we can see Royal Roofing Company, your business here, you have 53 citations. Builtwell Roofing, they're at 81 citations, and Best Way Roofing is at 55. And you can see that those are, Best Way and Builtwell are 2 of the top ones right here. Now you're probably wondering, okay, I have 2 less citations. Why am I not in the 4th spot? Your organic rankings also play a lot of way into this, getting your business into this top 3. So we can see if you are ranking anywhere in here. When I looked earlier, I did not see it, but this stuff does tend to jump around as I'm getting these videos ready to film. But your organic rankings will really play a lot of weight, and if you guys are going to be in that top 3 as well. So by increasing your organic rankings through the citations and through the content and backlinks, and then adding the citations to it, there's no reason why you guys shouldn't be able to be in this top 3 and in this top spot right here. If you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. I know in your message you had said to give you a call between 12 and 1-ish, so I'm hoping you'll have time to take a look at this. And I can give you a call here if you have any questions. Definitely reach out. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you.